Hi everyone, Tammy Hooper with Keller Williams Greenville Upstate here, and I am excited to tell you about a virtual open house that I am going to be hosting in Simpsonville coming up this Sunday. So, Sunday, April 19th, starting at 2 o'clock. It's going to run from 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock. I am going to be walking you through this gorgeous home in Simpsonville and telling you all about it and showing you everything you're going to want to see about it. You'll be able to join me live and ask questions and get more details. And if you want me to show you something a little bit more up close, I'll be able to do that. So you won't even have to leave the comfort of your home to be able to see this fantastic home. You can do it from your cell phone. You can watch me from your computer, from anywhere that you can get an internet signal. You will be able to take a wonderful tour of this home. So I'm going to lead you through the tour on the 19th. And here's what I'm going to be showing you. I am going to show you a wonderful home in a community that has a lot of amenities. So this community has a really nice large pool with a large pool deck. It also has a kiddie pool, and there's a clubhouse connected with that pool. There's also a fitness facility in the community. They have sidewalks. There's lighting in the community. So lots and lots of activity that can take place in the community and great amenities. In addition to that, the location is fantastic. So you are literally only about 2.5 miles from 385. So you can get on 385 and go in whatever direction you need to go on. So easy access. And in addition to that, you're only about 2.5 miles from Fairview Road Shopping in Simpsonville. So if you need to go to Target or you need to go to Publix, there's also a Walmart, there's a Lowe's, a Home Depot, there's a Bi-Lo grocery store. I don't know if I mentioned there's a Publix grocery store. You have a Hobby Lobby, there's a TJ Maxx. So there's tons of restaurants on that road, on Fairview Road, if you're not familiar with it. So a lot of easy access to shopping, but you're not like right on top of it. You're just a few miles away. And then also what's really great is within like half a mile or even less than that, you've got a Walmart grocery store, and there's also a Publix being built near this neighborhood. So a wonderful, wonderful location for this home. Now, not only is it a wonderful location where the neighborhood is, but it's also a great location where this home is within the neighborhood. So this home is in a cul-de-sac, and the backyard comes out and faces a community common area or just a community owned area that's all woods. So it's very private. There are no homes that you can see behind this piece of property. And because it is owned by the HOA and the connecting property that connects to the HOA is owned by the neighboring community HOA, you don't really have to worry about, is there going to be a home built right behind my house? So it's a wonderful location within the community in the cul-de-sac. And when you get inside the home, you are going to be amazed at how much space you have. So 5-bedroom, 4 full bathrooms in this home. You also have a huge loft, and there's also a huge bonus room. So a lot of space for entertaining in this home. It also has an open floor plan for the kitchen and the great room on the first level. And you'll also find a 3-car garage at this home. So lots and lots of space in this home. And this home has multiple walk-in closets. So I can't imagine like what else you would want to ask for in a home. I will tell you this home is listed at $324,900. So a really good price point for a home of this size. So I'm really excited to be able to show you this home. So what you're going to do if you want to attend the virtual open house and see this home and actually see the finishes in the home and really see for yourself how great it is, then you're just going to go to Facebook and you are going to find my virtual open house private Facebook group. It's called Tammy Hooper Realtor Virtual Open Houses. So search that and request to join my group. And when I add you to the group, if you've got your Facebook notifications on, anytime I do a virtual open house, you will get alerted and you can join that virtual open house and you can ask me questions. You can see a little bit more detail if you want me to get a little bit closer, or there's a different angle you want to see of the room or of the house, then I will be able to do that. But I really, really want you to join the group and attend this virtual open house that I'm going to be doing at this home in Simpsonville. Again, that's going to be on on April 19th. And it's going to start at 2 o'clock and it will run from 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock. So go on Facebook, request to join my group, and join me on this virtual open house. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks so much.